What's up? So I am mounting these tubeless tires on these tubeless wheels that I just got for my 30th birthday. Stay over there. And I'm making this video because I could not find anything that gave you like legit like instructions on how to mount tubeless tires. And I am as novice can be. I've never done this before. And I couldn't find a video, and so I figured, hey, why not make a video of what seems to be working for me? So hopefully this can help you out. Basically, I did one. Woohoo! Felt super accomplished about that. Getting the first, I guess, half of the wheel onto the first half of the tire onto the wheel was a heck of a lot harder than I thought it would be. But I found a technique that seems to work. Basically, when you're doing it like this, obviously you want to work on these sides first because they work like there's the least amount of resistance there. But I was just running into where it just wouldn't go, it literally wouldn't move, and I'm like, how do you do it? Basically alternating between the right and left, like you have to. I was using my right hand a lot more. I wasn't doing anything on this side. I find that if you alternate between right and left, it works. I don't know, seemed to work for me. Maybe you guys have a different way of doing it. So I'm gonna show you kind of what I mean there. I don't know how, whatever. Hopefully you can see it, but this is like the classic thing that you get stuck on. And basically what I do is just using like the butt of my hand, just there, and then hold that in place, and then do it there. And then you just kind of inch your way up until it pops, all right? So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully I don't make a fool of myself, and hopefully it works, and hopefully you guys can see this. Kind of alternating between the right, and you get like a little inch or something like that on the right, and then you gotta move it with the left. Then hold that in place. This is the part. Now I'm just kind of using like this part of my hand to really crank it. Get the right, then get the left. And this part, that getting the, like working on that other side seems for me to be the key. It's like literally like doing intervals. All right, cool, recover. All right, next anaerobic effort. Dude, I've gotten so weak. It's coming. This is why I wanted to make this video, because I can't see anybody doing this, but I feel like it's important. It is coming. Come on. Come on. This is the part that sucks. It's like you just slipping. Come on. Come on. Come on, people. So frustrating. I know I'm gonna get it. I'm finding I'm getting more leverage. Look at my hands. I'm getting more leverage using this upper part than this lower part. So I'm gonna work with that. Got it. Sweet. All right. So there it is. Dang, I hate this, but the tubeless tires, my hand's literally like destroyed. But yeah, alternating right, left, right, left, right, left, and just freaking keep working it and you'll get it. And one thing that I should add that I just found out, the Hunt 50mm wheels and Continental 5000 TLs, there's a good enough seal that you can actually use a hand pump. I literally just did this with my hand pump. I can't believe it. I thought I'd have to go to the gas station or something like that, get an air compressor, but because I worked so freaking hard to mount the tire, there was a good enough seal where you could just literally do it with your hand pump. So, I'm going to show you what that looks like. Alright, first, make sure you got sealant all up in the joint. Make sure you got a good seal. Now I'm like hoping it works this time. Alright, let's give it a shot. Alright, let's do it. There it is. There it is. Yep. All right, good. 90 PSI, just like that. No, I'm making a video. And little stuff like sprayed out there or whatever. I'll wipe that all down. But this thing is, I mean, that's in, dude. Yes. And just watch out for this. This will spray. Yeah, gotta clean that up. But this thing works.